this is my first time going through this process as well. It took a little getting used to, let's just say that. Hey guys, it's Shama. Welcome back and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to show you how I prepare my hair for washing. At the point of making this video and washing, it is currently, I believe, maybe about 3 weeks since installment, 3 weeks post installing this set of locks, and I just figured I would walk you through the journey and walk you through what I do, because this is my first time going through this process as well. I have had 2 lock journeys prior to this one, and I don't think that I ever braided and banded when I washed my hair post installment. The very first lock journey that I had, I started with interlocks, I believe. Second one, I started with interlocks as well, but very short hair, and I didn't braid and band. And I think I showed that video of the post-wash results as well in my second lock journey. I did have a video as to the results of that. So as you can see, my hair is in a bonnet because what I did was last night I did like a hot oil type treatment. I did a mixture of it was an oil that I used previously, and I think I might have mentioned it in one of my previous videos. It's the same mixture that I use with castor oil, olive oil, sunflower blend, and some black seed oil. But if I'm being honest, y'all, I think I might be allergic to the oil. I'm not totally sure, because, and I'm thinking it might be the black seed oil in there. I don't know. How do you guys know that you're allergic to oils? Is it an itch? Because I put this oil in my scalp last night and went to bed. Like, I put a plastic cap over it, put my bonnet over it, and when I tell you, like, all night, your girl was like every minute all through the night, it was crazy. So I'm thinking I might be allergic to the black seed oil. I'm not sure, but if there's something else happening, it might be its way of working. Maybe that's where the itch is coming from. I don't know, yeah. But anyways, so I'm gonna take this out. This is my bonnet, and I just put a plastic bag over my hair last night. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's very soft and still wet because it's pretty much like a hot oil treatment overnight. I spritz it with water and apply the oil. So my hair is very soft. This is what my hair is looking like 3 weeks post installation. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm just gonna try to separate my hair and braid and band it. Just gonna clip that away. Yo, my hair is so soft. It's a little damp. All right, so I'm just taking my hair. Okay, I'm braiding all the way down because I want to have, and very loosely, I want to have enough space to get my hands through here and be able to like massage my scalp. So here, and then I'm braiding. So I'm thinking of just leaving my hair like that instead of, I don't know, should I put it, you know what, let's just do it, because it may still unravel even though it's pretty tightly, but we're just gonna band it. Okay, so that's one. Yeah, I think I should be able to get in here. Okay, so I think there's enough space to get my hands through. All right, so I'm gonna use 2 shampoos. The first shampoo that I'm gonna try, I've never used this shampoo before, but I've heard good things about it, and so I'm gonna try this shampoo. It's the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. It's very thick, as you can see. It's a very thick consistency, so I'm going to use this as the first shampoo, just because, again, like I said, I did a hot oil treatment overnight, so I want to like strip the oils. So hopefully this is going to help strip the oils, clarify whatever needs to be clarified, and then I'm going to follow up with this. You've seen this before. This is what I used when I first took down my locks. It's the Aveeno Blackberry Quinoa Protein Blend Shampoo. So this is what I'm gonna follow up with, because this I'm sure is gonna be drying. So what I'm gonna do is, because this is so thick, I have just a regular clear bottle here, and I'm gonna fill that up with water, not too much, probably half. It's an 8-ounce bottle. I'm gonna put 4 ounces of water in there, and then I'm gonna add some of this. So let me do that right now. Okay, so I have a little bit over 4 ounces of water. It's not like that big of a deal. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of the clarifying. If you can see how thick this is, I don't know if you can see how thick this actually is. Okay, I think that should be enough. And I'm gonna, so I don't know if you can see that, but I had just a little bit over 4 ounces of water, and I added about 1 ounce of shampoo, and so now I'm at 5 ounces. Shake, and that's what I'm going to use. Hopefully it works. Again, this is my first time trying it and doing this, but again, it has a nozzle, so I'm just gonna step in the shower, drench my hair with water, and then just use this and go in between the sections, you know, just put in. And of course, if I run out, I'll add more with the same ratios, and then I'll just go in and do that. And then I'll follow up with this shampoo. I'm gonna step in the shower, get my wash started, and then at the end I'll come and show you what the hair is looking like. Hey guys, editing Shama here. There's no footage of the actual shampooing because your girl accidentally deleted the footage. When I tell you the emotions I'm going through right now, I just can't believe it. Okay, so I'm back. I may have to be cleaning my glasses off and on. I turn off the fan, but I would really like to keep it on because of the moisture that gets caught in the bathroom. And I swear y'all, I'm not naked. I do have my towel. But I just stepped out of the shower. Yo, my glasses is fogging up like crazy. All right, let's get through this. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair. And let me say, this is my first experience, like I said before, ever washing my hair in braid and band method. And gosh, this is getting annoying. God, I mean, I can try to record without my glasses, but I can't really see, and I hate the way that my eyes look without my glasses. So let's see if this works. Okay, so as I was saying, this process, it took a little getting used to. I've never washed my hair in the braid and band method before, so it took a little getting used to. Let's just say that. I was like, how the hell do I really scrub my scalp? And my scalp needed to be scrubbed because it was dirty, because of all the oil buildup, the flaking. I really wanted to get in there and get everything out. So I'm like, how do I get in there to really feel like I'm getting a good wash? Because I'm like, I don't feel like I'm getting a good wash. But anyways, I fought through it. I did it, and then I did 2 washes with the Suave Clarifying Shampoo, and I did 1 wash with the Aveeno Protein Oat Blend, Quinoa Oat Blend, whatever it is. I did 1 wash with that, and yes, I did dilute it down with water. So I just want to see how the hair is looking. Oh, child. Okay, I'm looking crazy, y'all. Don't judge me, okay? But this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, it's a little bit frizzy, because I was trying to get in there the best I could to make sure that I was getting all the dirt out. So my hair is a bit frizzy. Ooh, I don't know. I'm gonna let my hair dry in these braids and then take it out later and see what the hair is looking like. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like fresh off the shower. Let me just give you a 360 real quick. And yeah, I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I will come back and show you guys what it's looking like. So I'm back, and I just wanted to take down the braids because my hair has been in these braids for the past few hours. I'm sorry guys if you're hearing background noise and children screaming. Like, I try to close my window, but I just hate that every time I get on the camera there's somebody making noise, and so the neighbors have kids over. Okay, so I think next time I will not braid my hair way down to the end like this. So this is what it's looking like. If You see me not looking at the lens, my mirror is right behind y'all, so that's what I'm staring into. I'm just stepping in front of the lens that you can see, but I'm gonna be looking behind you straight into my mirror. So this is what my hair is looking like. Obviously it's stretched a little bit more and thinner now because when I first got on it was thick. And so as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm trying to see how I can show you guys. But there's some growth, okay? It's not a lot, but I don't know if you can see, but there's some growth. Definitely enough that I can probably get one rotation in to interlock. Definitely my edges have more growth. You can see that here. So this one is quite a bit loose, like all of this is loose. So yeah, let me just keep doing that, and then like I wanted to show you guys to like this piece back here, or is it not back here? Back here. This right here. This piece is from one of the locks, so I know I'm okay, so the braids are out, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. It is so much less full than it was before. But yeah, I'm sorry guys, because if you're seeing stuff flying in front of the lens, because I do have some dry scalp, so I think there's some flakes going on, but at least my scalp feels really clean. So you see, at least around the edges, there's quite a bit of either slippage or growth or something happening here. Around the perimeters, a lot. Yeah, so yeah, I think after all I'm probably just gonna bite the bullet and interlock my hair. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button below. If you've not yet already subscribed, go ahead and also hit that subscribe button. It's totally free to you, it doesn't cost you a thing, but definitely helps my channel out. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to also hit the post notification bell so you never miss another upload. As always, if you have any comments, questions, video requests, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below as well. I will see you guys next time, but until then, remember to stay blessed and live life unapologetically. Bye guys.